So you have a leak around the handle of your old Pegasus faucet. This is an easy fix, and I have a link to the proper cartridge. If you have a dripping leak from the spigot, you may just need to replace the spring and rubber seat beneath the cartridge. However, if the leak is coming from around the faucet handle, the cartridge is the most likely problem. Although you may just need a new O-ring, it is inexpensive to replace the entire cartridge, which comes with a new O-ring. First and foremost, turn off the water to the faucet at the shutoff valve. If there's no shutoff valve, you'll need to turn off the water to the house from the main valve. If you don't do this, you'll create your own household geyser, which your spouse won't be very impressed with. First, gently remove the cap from the top of the handle with a flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to scratch the finish. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw that holds the handle in place, then gently lift the handle from the cartridge. Now remove the escutcheon by hand. The cartridge is held in place by a bonnet nut. I used a rag to protect the nut from my channel locks. Unscrew the bonnet nut. There is usually a small amount of water to be mopped up. Now take note of how the cartridge is positioned in the metal casing. Gently remove the cartridge using a pair of pliers if it's stuck. A gentle rocking motion may be needed. Look into the metal cylinder and identify the rubber seat. Under the rubber seat is a spring that keeps the seat in contact with the cartridge. Remove the seat and spring with a small pick or flathead screwdriver. Replace the seat and spring with a new set. It may be easier to position them by sliding them down a screwdriver. Now place the new cartridge into position. Replace the bonnet nut. Just tighten it snugly. Do not over-tighten it. Replace the escutcheon cap by hand. Place the handle in position in the cartridge. Secure the handle with the screw. Replace the cap by hand. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. It looks good. Now move on to the next project. Please remember to check out the link for the proper cartridge for your Pegasus handle.